Hello scholars, we are going to continue with the second chapter with the topic subtraction by estimation. Okay, today I am going to tell you what you should avoid to do in subtraction. So let's have the example. The example is 6704 minus 5838. Some of the smartest students make mistake when 0 is involved. What they do is they start from the ones place. 4 minus 8 is not possible, and so they know that they have to regroup, and hence 4 will change to 14. But they start subtracting first. Now what they do is 14 minus 8 will give me 6. But you should not do this way. You should first finish your borrowing and then start subtracting. Okay, so have a look how you have to do. 4 minus 8 not possible, so borrow next door. As it is 0, borrowing is not possible, so borrow next door. So 7 changes to 6. Now when you go across a 0, you are going across a 0 to borrow. So what you will do is you will change the 0 to 9. Technically, you know that it is a 10 and then you change it to 9. But what you do is when you go across a 0, just make it a 9 and save a step. Okay, now this 4 changes to 14. Borrowing is over. Now start subtracting. 14 minus 8 will give me 6. 9 minus 3 will give me 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So borrow next door. 6 will change to 5 and the 6 in the hundreds place will change to 16. Now start subtraction. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now the point you have to remember from this sum is when you go across a 0, when crossing a 0, you have to change it to 9. Now let's have the second example. Here 0 is placed in the ones place. Okay, now let's see what happens. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so borrowing from the next door, 7 changes to 6. And here 0 will change to 10. See, this example is different from the first example. Here you are stopping at 10. In the first example, you were crossing the 0. So it will change to 9. Here in the second example, you are stopping at 0. So it will change to 10. Okay. Now borrowing is over. Start subtracting. 10 minus 5 gives me 5. 6 minus 9 not possible. So borrowing from the next door, 3 will change to 2 and 6 will change to 16. Now start subtracting. 16 minus 9 will give me 7 and 2 minus 6 is not possible again. So borrowing from the next door. Hence 4 will change to 3 and 2 will change to 12. Now 12 minus 6 will give me 6. 3 minus 2 will give me 1. Here we learned that when you stop at 0, you have to change it to 10. Okay. Now let's have the third example and see whether this example is an example of going across a 0 or stopping at 0. Okay, starting from the ones, 6 minus 9 not possible, so borrowing next door, 4 changes to 3 and 6 changes to 16. Borrowing is over. Now start subtracting. 16 minus 9 will give me 7. 3 minus 3 will give me 0. Now the 0 is there. See, even though 0 is placed in between, this is not the example of going across a 0. It's even though it's in between. Here you are stopping at 0. You are not going to borrow from anything. Okay. So 0 will go to borrow from 8 and 8 will change to 7 and 0 will change to 10. 10 minus 6 will give me 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. Clear with it? Now moving to the next example. Oh God, it's having many zeros. Starting from the ones place, 0 minus 4 is not possible. So going next door to borrow. There also it's not possible. Going next door, there also it's not possible. Now borrow from the next door 9. 9 will reduce to 8. Now this 0 is in between, and hence you are going across a 0 for borrowing. So this 0 will change to 9. Again this 0 will change to 9 because you are going across for borrowing. And the ones place 0 will change to 10. At this place, ones place, you are stopping at 0. So it will change to 10. Okay. Now start the subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Students, here I have made a mistake. It will be 3. Okay. Moving on to the next topic, that is subtraction by estimation. We have already done addition by estimation. Here we are going to estimate the difference between 89,056 and 58,428. So as we start the sum with the place value chart, here we go. The bigger digit on the top and the smaller digit in the bottom. The bigger digit is known as, what it is known? The bigger digit, it is known as minuend. Yes. And the digit you have to subtract is known as subtrahend. And the answer is the difference. Okay. Now starting the subtraction from the extreme right, 6 minus 8 not possible. Borrow next door. 5 changes to 4 and 6 changes to 16. Borrowing is over, so I'll start doing subtraction. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 2 will give me 2. Now 0 minus 4 is not possible. Again, is this example of going across or you are stopping at 0? What you are doing? You are stopping at 0, right? Here you are not going across to borrow something. Okay, so 0 changes to 10 from this 9 when 9 changes to 8 and 0 changes to 10. Now starting from 10 minus 4 will give me 6. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. Clear? Now you have to estimate each number, and for that you are going to round off every number to the nearest 1000. Okay, when 89,056 is rounded off to the nearest 1000, it changes to 89,000. Right? I hope you remember the symbol for the estimation. See, this is the symbol for the estimation. Okay. The second number when rounded off to the nearest 1000, it changes to 58,000. Clear? Starting the subtraction. Ones we have 0, tens we have 0, and hundreds also we have 0. Thousands place, 9 minus 8 will give me 1, 8 minus 5 will give me 3. So initially the actual answer was 30,628, but the estimated answer is 31,000. Okay, you have rounded up mostly. Moving on to the second example, that is the word problem from estimation. A farm had 3,282 trees. Of this, 1,719 trees were mango tree. Okay, and approximately you have to find out how many trees were not mango trees. So starting with the solution, number of the trees, total number of the trees were 3,282. Now the question is asking approximately. So this is the example of estimation. You have to round it to the nearest 1000. When 3,282 is rounded to the nearest 1000, it turns to 3,000. Okay, you are rounding it down because the digit to the right of the rounding place is 2, which is less than 5. Okay, so my answer is 3,000. Now the number of the mango trees are 1,719. You have to round to the nearest 1000. Okay, here the digit to the right of the rounding of place is 7, which is greater than 5. So what you do is you add 1 to the rounding of place, and hence this 1 changes to 2. This 2,000. Here it was less than 5, so you keep the rounding of place as it is. So 3 is as it is. Okay. So my answer will be 2,000 here. Now you have to subtract to find out the trees which are not mango trees. So the statement goes like this: number of the other trees are 3000 minus 2000, which is 1000. And my final solution, my final answer will be approximately 1000 trees were not mango trees. Don't forget to write approximately, students, because अंदाज से आपको बताना है आंसर, एग्जैक्ट नहीं बताना है. सो अंदाज से 1000 trees are not mango trees. So approximately is important. Okay. Now it's your Tufani time. And Batuk is here again. Let's see what it has for you. It has a number that is 64 and the other number is 53. Okay. There are two numbers and you have to choose either of the one number. Now, if I am asked to choose, I will choose this number. Students, on an average, people take 20% more time to press a button when both digits are odd number. See, the second number is having both digits which are odd. And the first number is having both digits which are even. So, in an experiment conducted by Terence Hines of Pace University, he concluded that a human brain takes more time to process odd numbers. And that's why you find difficult to handle the situation when there are odd numbers involved. Okay, and personally, even I think that some people do take time to solve subtraction sums more time is required for solving subtraction than addition. Addition, people do it quickly. Okay, and now we will have our homework. You have to complete the textbook exercise 2.7. I hope you will do the needful, students.